Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, November 7th of 2019. Here are our morning announcements for today. We have parent-teacher conferences happening today, and also our book fair will be happening at that same time from 3 o'clock until 7 o'clock. So we'll have parent-teacher conferences today and then also next Thursday. We do have one birthday to announce, so happy birthday to Caitlin Shear. Hopefully you have a great day today. And our lunch choices for today, we have spaghetti with meatballs, grilled cheese sandwich, or turkey and cheese sandwich. So lots of sandwiches today in the lunch menu. And today for our veteran appreciation, we have third grade, who will be talking about different things for veteran appreciation today.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Veteran Appreciation time. So we have some students here from third grade who have examples of showing appreciation towards our veterans.
Thank you, vets, for keeping our state and country safe and everyone alive. Thank you, veterans, for serving our country. Say thank you if you see a veteran. Thank you for serving our country.
Thank you, guys. Good examples.
Thank you, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great day today. Remember, book fair is tonight along with the parent-teacher conferences, so hope to see you then from 3 o'clock until 7.